Hey guys, welcome to another video by Backyard Mechanics. Today I'm going to be taking apart a 5HP Briggs. Unfortunately Jono wasn't able to join us today as it's still COVID-19 lockdown. You guys can't see me. There we go. So I'm going to be dismantling this 5HP Briggs. It was always just a real crappy motor. Never ran right, smoked. So today I'm going to take it apart. I've got you guys a POV camera set up, so we'll get into that, and I'll try let you guys know what I'm doing the best I can. So let's get into it. Hey guys, we're about to take apart these bolts here and this exhaust bolt. So let's find the right thing. That one size bigger. We just want to break them all first.
For the love of God, please don't use your hands to hit the ratchet.
Right, now we can put it into the impact gun.
Now guys, just letting you know, if you are wanting to reuse your engine, I strongly suggest don't impact your head bolts back on afterwards. Just use your hands.
I don't really care which way I take these off, guys, because it's not going back together. It's just going to be a parts machine. So take these bolts out here. That one, the shield, and this one here might be a 9. That's a 10. Right, so that's the head. Take it off. Gasket. Here's the piston. It's inside of the cylinder. See how that works. Right, now I'm going to try to take this exhaust off. What do we need there? This one's very finger tight. This motor was originally on me and Jono's first go-kart, but it didn't last too long, that go-kart. So now we're going to take, maybe I guess we should drain what fluid's in it. This will do.
Now this drain bolt was very tight, and I don't recommend doing this either, but all we did was Alex just tipped the engine over and tipped the oil out like that.
Nope. This is the drain plug. Oh. Nope, I'm just going to tip it, guys. So we don't spill any. Oh, that's black. So black. Me and Jono never changed the oil in this. Whoo, buddy. Yeesh. That's probably good. Oh, there's fuel coming out as well. Okay. So we're going to drain the fuel.
Alex is about to tip the gas into the old oil. Now, the only reason we don't worry about this is because the gas was varnishy and we're not going to reuse any of this.
What do you think?
So we didn't care if we had to mix the two together.
Peter out. Tip that in the same thing. Fluid's drained, and I missed a bunch of oil. Great. Whoa. And these rags, some oil leader on it straight away. Can see the valve in there. Okay, so Phillips. This hammer back. Jono robbed that for something else.
What Alex is referring to here
Yep,
is
there's one
the
down the
second
bottom
carburetor bolt.
I probably can't see it. Oh, and she is tight. If we can twist it, yep, we can. That loosens it up, I think. Yep, it did. Cool. Yep, she's a 10. Is that a 10? Yep, I think so. Correct. Spread this out. Oil.
We also do not recommend this.
Got it. That's the governor, guys. So what happens is, so when the engine gets to a certain RPM, these fold out and brings the engine back down.
Now the tedious mission of removing the flywheel and cover. Now unfortunately, with this method of removing the flywheel, the ball bearings were disintegrated.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's all from Backyard Mechanics today. I robbed all the parts off the 5HP Briggs that I wanted. The rest of it, I'm just going to leave it how it is, because I don't need it. I don't need the rest. I've got all the parts I need. I really just need the tank and muffler and other stuff on the top of the head. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Unfortunately, Jono wasn't able to join us today, guys, due to the COVID-19 lockdown. Still, so nothing we can do about that, but I don't know if he's told you guys, but hopefully our challenges will become a reality soon once this lockdown's done. I've bought a motorbike, not going to let you guys know what it was, but it was under the $350 budget. I've got quite a bit of money left to spend on parts, upgrade, whatever I want. So yeah, and hopefully we'll be pumping out more videos like this, guys. Yeah, I can't wait till the lockdown's over to pump out more videos. Thanks, guys.